Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can close your account or your user account on Saner AI permanently. So let us guide you through it. So head over to your account on Saner AI, click into your profile icon, select account from the drop-down menu, and here in your account settings expand the data control feature and click into request delete next to delete your account. After that you will be redirected to that request form here. So here you may enter your email address and also a reason for the deletion request. Confirm by clicking into these buttons, and in the final step guys, send your deletion request by clicking into submit. As you can see, this one here is mandatory, that one, all four of these fields basically, so you need to fill in all of these, and that's it. After that your account deletion request will be processed by Saner AI, and if you have filled in everything correctly and according to the guidelines, your account will be closed permanently, and you will lose access to all of your data, your entire account, your tasks, your boards, your notes, and so on and so forth. So I'm not going to do this. I'm going to click off here to keep my account. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.